Huh. Yo. Yo. Oh, bro. Yo. Yo. Hey. We not down 500 no more. What are you talking about? Look. You might see red right now. You might see red, but we not down 500 no more. So, yesterday we were down 500, which is about 3 point some percent on the account. That's a whole different thing. You want to hear that story? Watch the other video. I lost Wi-Fi while trading with no stop loss. Yeah, whatever. Wednesday, this says 206. I don't know why. I made this minus 500. So I made about like, what is that? 413. 413 today. That's almost 3%. I'll say 2.5. Another unfortunate day, bro. You gotta see what happened today. Like another one. I'm telling you, if I had good luck, I literally would be a millionaire by now. Like again, I got another unfortunate day. Let's get right into it, bro. We're in the chart. What are we? Let's look at the. Let's start with daily profile, right? Daily profile. People might be confused here. Let me clarify some stuff. Okay. This one right here. I'll make this white, bro. This one right here. That's midnight open. Okay. Right here. This is midnight open. Okay. You're probably thinking, this is midnight open. We only manipulated up, right? Midnight open. So you might think it's a reversal, or maybe AMD. No key levels hit. So if I were to tell you it's a New York continuation, how would that make sense? But you gotta look at the small little wicks, bro. You gotta make sense of it. This fair value gap right here. Even if you go to the 30 minute, 30 minutes like the time frame, I'll probably use the lowest one I'll use to see daily profile. If you look at a 30 minute, look what we tap into, bro. Look at this triple BPR, BPR. Come on now, bro. Triple BPR, bro. No, I'm playing. The BPR right here, though. Tap into that. That's my key time frame right here. That's my key level. This 30 minute fair value gap / BPR. Look. Why am I going to the 1 minute, bro? What am I doing? We're on the hour, okay? We tap into there. See what happens. We tap into there. We displace. It's not only tapping into a high time frame PD array, but it's also reacting off of it positively, respecting it. Okay? So I see this before market open. Then you have the news, This is news. But I'm saying this initial reaction is displacement. So already I could tell we're supporting this bullish PD array. We're gonna have a buy day, bro. New York continuation. We're not gonna see midnight open today. Okay. So obviously this happens with news. Yeah. So I got a lot of lines here. Damn. Let me delete all of this. You're gonna see what happened. Look, I'll give you a little spoiler, guys. Why am I saying guys, but no one's watching this? This right here was my TP right here. This was my TP. I don't know if you can see, bro. Do you see how close I was to hitting it? Let's just say I did not cash out my TP. Okay, so we got news here. I marked this low because at the start I thought it was a buy day. I wasn't too sure. I never take that shit too seriously. Well, actually, no, I'm lying to you. I take daily profile very seriously. That's probably one of the most important things. I marked these 2 lows, or these 3 lows. I don't know why. Just in case it was a sell day. It's just in case I see some sell action. Yeah, I'll mark these highs. This one here, this one here, this one here, and this is a daily fair value gap right here. Okay, which is also an OTE. I wasn't mad to sell here because daily profile was saying buy, but we did have. Sorry for this chart, trash ass chart. We did have an SMT with ES with the news. Okay, so the news candle swept this high, and on Nasdaq it didn't. Okay, so we had a thing here. We had an SMT plus we already reached equilibrium, but we didn't reach OTE yet. This is OTE. This daily fair value gap. I'll just show you guys real quick. That one's OTE. So that's why I was looking to pull back into OTE here, into this daily fair value. That was my analysis of the day before going down. I knew we were a buy day after when I was hopping in the trade because we were in versus 4 hour. So So a lot of the stuff is telling me buy day, okay? But here, let me just get into the logistics of it, you know. So off rip, I'm looking at market. I'm seeing this rebalancing into news here. Off rip, I wanted to see some retrace, bro. I don't know if you saw my 3 lines I deleted. I deleted these 3 lines, but I marked out the equilibrium and OTE. 0.62 and 0.779, okay? Why did I say 0.76? I'm pretty sure that's not right. I don't know. Okay, whatever. I got those marked out. So I'm like I'm gonna wait for a pullback, you know? I'm gonna see how it reacts. Unfortunately, we didn't pull that back that far. We reacted off it, so I missed my first entry, okay? I was gonna enter down here somewhere, get a good discount price, whatever. We come up. Also, I made a rule to myself, I'm not gonna enter before the macro, ever. Until I'm actually good in the market to know what's going on. Then we come up here. 950 opens. We start coming down. I thought again, bro. Now I thought again. This is where I was like, okay, I'm going to wait for equilibrium. Wait for a retrace. I was looking here. I was going to buy, not equilibrium. I was going to buy here this fair value gap right here. Bro, I don't like this color. I don't like that color, bro. I told myself I'm gonna buy here at this fair value gap, because it just aligns with these like order block or this order block right here before this market open order block right here. Like wait for a pull back into here and we're gonna see what happens. Again, I thought 10 a.m. was gonna manipulate down there. Whatever, it didn't, bro. 950 we come down, barely touch it. I would have entered if it came down here. Doesn't come down here. Again, we miss it. Okay. What I'm seeing every time we hit internal liquidity and displace from it, I already disregard that range now. You know, like a lot of people were asking in Discord and stuff, yo, what about this 5 minute? What about this 5 minute breaker? What about this 5 minute fair value gap? We're not gonna come down here, bro. You gotta realize, price is already balanced in this range. We came down, filled this, okay, hit this breaker. Let's see what happened. Someone, yeah, on the 5 minute, we didn't even touch this, but we still came into this breaker, bro. Price is balanced. We hit some sort of internal liquidity, because if not, the price wouldn't react. Price wouldn't have reacted off it. We hit internal liquidity and we reacted again, right? So now this range, why would we go back here? We already rebalanced. We already reacted. We already displaced somewhere else. Now we got a new thing to worry about. That's why I saw this entry right here. I entered off here. Actually, I entered off this fair value gap. I should have waited a little bit. I should have waited. This was my... No, I'm lying to your face. I'm lying to your face. Whatever. No, that was my second entry. I'm saying my first entry... Wow, what did I mark, bro? What is all this marks? Oh my gosh. This is the news high. We subscribed news high. We came down. My first entry, I waited till we displaced. We broke above this. I'd say I entered about here. Maybe here. I'd say here. Entered about there, okay? I think this was my second TP was this one. This was the second TP. We hit it. But still, I wasn't too worried because we still had draws and liquidity to hit. You know, like I knew we were going to go higher. So, boom, I enter here. I enter here. I have my stop right here at this low. Okay, boom, we're pushing up. We get a retrace. Here's why I add more positions here. So let's say my average fill would be here. I'd say something like that. And my stop at this low. Boom. I wish I could show you my trade. I wish I could show you the mark of it. Whatever. Okay, come down. We displace into it. We displace off it. Okay, boom. Once we displace off it, I disregard this range. Now we displace. We're in a new thing. I put my stops. Break even. I put my stops right here. So this is how it says a 1 to 2. I'm targeting 1 to 2. This is my target right here. Oh yeah, it's my target. Okay. Boom, I put my stops here. We're doing everything. Trade's good. I'm up about 600. Okay, that was I'm risking 300 to be up 600. That's 2R. It would have been nice. I would have been my account balance would have been at 15.2. Okay, I would have been in some nice profit, in about 1% profit. Instead, I'm 0.5% down. But whatever. But we'll get him next time. But look, We come to this TP right here. This is what's brutal about it. Look at how close we were to hitting TP. I got edged not once, not twice, not 3 times, 4 times I got edged, okay? So I'm being disciplined. I'm letting my trade play out. I'm being disciplined. And then this one I see this form. I got out manually when I see this. I'm looking at ES. ES looked very bearish. Inverse this, push lower, break a structure. Yeah, so I'm seeing ES break structure. And but for that I'm like, damn, I got out about here. So I lost a couple hundred. I'm not even playing. I lost a couple hundred. Did I just voice crack? Yeah, it's insane. I lost a couple hundred, bro. So I took out both my positions here. And yeah, I mean, good takeout by me. Cause I would have got stopped out break even and been down on the day, or been break even. So I knew it was about to reverse because of ES. And yeah, that's the whole trade. I was pretty stressed out. This was like I'm actually pretty proud of myself. Like, this was a really good trade. Like, just management, knowing where to put my stop loss. Like, I almost got stopped out a couple times. I knew this breaker block will hold. Could be displaced off it, you know. Just the TP is brutal, bro. Could have had like 600, but I'll take a 400 day. You know, any profits not bad. That's also 400 is about 2.7%. You know, almost 3%. It's like 2.7. Yeah, so overall not a terrible day. Again, also I was looking at shorts here. I should have re-entered. It was looking a good short. It's because we didn't hit this. You know. If we hit this fair value gap, I know for sure we would displace down, for sure, you know. But I wasn't ready to risk more. I already risked 2%. But if I were to tell you guys now, for surely I would have entered off this inverse. For surely, would have entered right here. When this inverse this, I would have entered immediately. And my stop would be at this high, and TP would be here at this low. Wow, that'd be a nasty trade. That would have been a very good trade. Reason why? I mean, if we did hit my drawn liquidity, boom, we pull back. We pull back to literally OTE. We did break above it a bit, but oh, that's okay. That's okay throwing me off. We did break above it a bit, but we still reacted off OTE. I would have seen that. I would have seen this reaction off of it. Fill this, come up, and then invalidate it. Boom. It's just the carbon copy entry. Once all draws and liquidity are hit, we get this model right here. What am I doing? And the target, like the target's a free target, bro. You know, that's equilibrium. I'm targeting that, bro. That's a free trade. Honestly, if we swept this, hit this daily fair value gap, which is in OTE, we would definitely be for sure down to sell here. But I already made my trade. Made about 4 something. You know, I'm not bad. Not profitable day. Can't be angry, you know? Hopefully, what's tomorrow, bro? What is tomorrow? Not a bad day. Okay, tomorrow could be a good price action. I don't know if I'm gonna trade. Oh shit. Hello? What's Friday? I don't know if I'm gonna trade Friday. I probably won't trade Friday. Tomorrow's probably my last trading day of the week. Hopefully I could get up. Hopefully I could get some bread. If not, then I'll make it back next week. You know. If you're still watching this, get off the video.